In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and HS360S GPS Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holystone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3-point CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holystone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holystone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the HS360S GPS Drone are both highly capable devices, each offering its unique strengths for users. The HS440, with its 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera, provides stunning aerial scenery, and its 20-minute flight time is impressive for a drone of its size. It is also equipped with user-friendly features such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the HS360S GPS Drone, despite its lightweight design, packs a punch with its 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera and 1/3-inch CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor. This drone offers advanced connection technology for real-time image streaming without Wi-Fi and an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet. Moreover, its precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function. Both drones have a similar flight time, but the HS360S comes at a higher price point, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.